What's up, guys? Welcome back. A new vlog here, guys. You can see where we are coming live from, and this is my friend here, Voke.
Yeah, guys.
Yes.
I am Voke, guys, and it's fine, guys, and to meet you again. This amazing channel, guys.
Yeah.
I think I've been here several times, and the guys, they're just in a different angle, guys. Just
Different place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys.
And I know, guys. I think if you can recall or go back to our videos, especially me and Nasto, this place can be familiar to you. If you can remember very well, this is where the Mayugno was living, and Mapopo, and also Dorina lives here. So this is the place. This, they call it Uwanja wa Tarafa. Yeah, so this one is a field that they call Uwanja wa Tarafa in Swahili here in Tanzania, guys.
And
so we are in Tanzania.
Yeah, actually, guys, we are in Tanzania.
Yeah.
One of the beautiful hotels here, guys.
Yeah, the biggest hotel, Tanzanite Hotel here.
Hotel, guys.
Yeah.
Very beautiful and awesome, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was a surprise for me. My brother here told me like, hey, let's go somewhere. So we're here, guys, and you know, also Dorina lives around here.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe we can pass by and say hi.
Yeah.
After we have finished here, guys.
Yeah.
So this is Tanzania, the deepest part of Tanzania. Not even the deepest, let's say only the deep part of Tanzania. Yeah, so behind that house, I think it's behind that house is where Mayugno and Mapopo used to live long time ago. So I'm really happy and privileged to be back here again in this beautiful place, Tanzania. Hey.
You're recording something?
Yeah, I'm recalling like way back when you used to come here like every day.
Yeah, guys, that memories.
See, these are called, I don't know how they are called, but they are very beautiful. Yeah.
The first runner.
The first runners. They call them in Kimoro, yes?
Kimoro,
yeah.
So, in English, they call it...
Very hard. You guys can tell us down the comment section.
So they can know. And
this is a ostrich, I think, yeah. And that is the same as this one. And up here we have also the you know, Tanzanians, they like decorating their houses, their hotels, so beautiful. Yeah. You can see from here, guys. Yeah, they are so
guys.
Yeah, that is the hotel over there. Yeah, so let's go in.
You can see the view of this.
Yeah, the view is very nice here. See how they.
One thing, I like the view of this hotel.
Yeah, it's very nice, and it's see how it's clean, very clean. We have a lion here, Simba Marara.
This is a lion.
Yeah, this is a lion. Not a lion.
This is a lion.
This is a lion.
Okay.
I think this is a lion.
It's a lion.
Yeah, it's a lion.
That lion. It's something that looks like a lion, but it's a family of a lion, but I don't think like this is a lion.
You guys can tell us down the comment section. We are confused. Yeah, we are confused. But anyway, guys, this is a hotel in Tanzania. When we just crossed the border, we didn't see that. They are what are they called? Cheetah.
Yeah. Is that a Swahili word or an English word?
No, English. Cheetah. Yeah. So this is a hotel near the border. You just cross the border, a few meters, you'll be here, guys. Tanzanite Hotel. So I think this is my first time here. Yeah. For me, it's my first time here. And here we have guest house.
For me, I have been here like several times. I can't count. Uncountable.
Now
so
today.
Come here, just sit. So guys, we are going to see what we are going to eat.
Yeah.
It's just an amazing meal, guys.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Watch this amazing video till the end, guys. And
for me, I want to say thank you for carrying me along.
You're also welcome.
Yeah, you know, guys, I didn't know, that's why I didn't have jacket on. But he's my friend, and he told me like we can go somewhere and take lunch.
Just have our lunch, guys. And
Yeah.
I like this place. I used to come here. Like, I like the way they are cooking.
Yeah.
Not Tanzania, they are.
Yeah, so today guys are going to check aroma. See how this place is. Yeah, it's very nice. I like the setup of this kind of place, guys. So we are going to wait for our lunch.
Guys, we
Sunday,
didn't
guys.
come along, guys.
Yes,
We come with
Yeah. So we came with our friends here, and this is okay. I think lights. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to Maja KE channel. Guys, we come here, we take ourselves for
A treat.
a treat. Yeah, just
just a lunch.
lunch. And as you can see, I'm taking a juice. This is mango fruit. Tropical. It is very yummy, guys. So kindly. If
Check her out, guys. Why are you shy?
kindly guys, I'm also a YouTuber. Go support my channel.
By the name.
Mercy Wide. Kindly show me some love.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I can say. Thank you for hosting me to your channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
And also thank you so much for accepting to invite me to your lunch date. I think it's a lunch date, yes? A lunch date, yes.
Actually, guys, we are going to introduce ourselves, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much also for accepting me to be part of this special lunch of
Okay.
yours.
You are welcome.
Yeah, kindly guys, go check her, subscribe, support where you can. Anyway, especially subscribe, and also we have your sister.
Yeah, she has a channel.
Hey, introduce yourself.
Umeanza.
Hey,
Hello guys, huyu ni anaitwa welcome once again to Maja KE YouTube channel. Please guys, show him some love. Like, subscribe.
yeah. So your channel is
Ipra Robi.
huh?
Ipra.
Ipra Robi. Yeah, support her also, guys. Road to success, yeah. Yeah, road to success. So you're here with
And
Voke.
there's a like in this table, like each and every is a content creator. Like,
Content
even
Even
both.
yeah. I think do you have an Instagram channel for maybe your son?
Only the YouTube channel.
YouTube
But there is
channel.
yeah. What we should do, man, I think we should do one for our kids. Should share her link and
Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
He goes by the name Liam Thomas.
Liam Thomas.
Baby Liam.
Baby Liam.
Yeah.
Ah,
So guys-
same name as Nasto's kid.
Oh,
Liam.
Nastos
Yeah.
is,
Liam, yeah.
Okay. Baby
Yeah.
Liam, guys, kindly subscribe to her channel, like, share, right?
Yes.
Show me
Baby
some love.
Liam, yeah.
Say hi.
Guys, say hi. Hello, how are you? Baby Liam,
Yeah.
how are you? How are you? Yeah, that is Baby Liam. Yeah, son to I am Voke.
Son, guys,
And,
I'm older.
Yeah. So guys, kindly subscribe to Baby Liam and everyone who is here doing amazing work here, guys. So we are here. I think also you should open for him Instagram account.
Like, you know one thing,
Instagram
like,
account, yes.
to me, I don't know how Instagram works. Like I
Works.
don't know anything about Insta.
Don't worry, you got me.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show
we shall
you.
do this.
Yeah, no
Shall do that
problem.
okay.
Yeah. So guys,
Yeah.
we are taking some mango juice here.
It's a mango fruit, guys.
Yeah. So let's while waiting for lunch
Yeah.
here. So
Have a drink as
yeah,
we-
drink as we wait for lunch. So this is mango. This is mango.
Yeah,
Any mango?
That's mango, but
tropical.
Tropical. Yeah. This is for Tanzania.
no,
Yes.
these are pure mango. There's no any mixture. Yeah.
This is
These are pure
tropical.
mango.
Huh?
These are pure mango. There's no any mixture.
African fruit.
Yeah.
Premium, yeah. So this is what you are taking while you are waiting for our...
Mercy, how much does this cost?
I think it is 100.
No.
150.
Kenya man?
150
Kenya money, yes?
Okay guys,
Tanzanian money is...
it's like 6,000.
6,000.
It's 6,000.
2,500 because 50 Kenyan shillings equal to 1,000.
Okay. This
Kenyan
one, this one is
Tanzanian.
250 Kenyan money. And in
Tanzanian
Tanzanian money,
shillings?
it's
Because 100...
5,500.
5,500.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we are drinking 5,500 here. Imagine 5,500. But
Yeah.
Tanzanian money.
Yeah, that's Tanzanian.
Yeah, so Kenyan money is 2,500. Kenyan money is 250 shillings.
Yeah.
And
Tanzanian money,
yeah,
it's
and
5,000.
in dollars. In
Like,
dollars, this
just
is like
$10.
$3.
Yeah.
Not $3.
Yeah, it's $3.
$3.
Yeah.
You're sure $3?
You know, like
100 is-
$1, it's like
100.
It is $2.
$2.
$2.50.
Yes.
Are you sure?
$2. Yes.
Is it
Exactly.
$2, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, so we are enjoying here before we get our meal. I don't know what we are going to take, guys. So I think we should wait for.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Yeah, we should wait. Then we see. Oh, it's a surprise. You don't want to tell us
Yeah,
what we're going to.
just be patient, guys, and wait to
Yes.
see what we're going to.
To take for lunch today.
Yeah, guys.
I will, guys. I will remember this day because my friend here told me like we can go for lunch. Today is on Sunday,
Yeah.
31st or 30th.
That's
30th. Sunday,
Guys,
November
we're just close
2024.
No. It is the 1st of December.
Oh,
Hey, yeah,
1st of December.
Guys. Yeah.
Hey guys, 1st of December.
1st of December. And Marge and my family, guys.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
It's surprising, guys.
Yeah,
I
a
didn't
blessing,
know,
a blessing.
like,
Even me, I
it was
didn't know it's fast. I knew it's at first. So guys, it's a blessing. I was invited by my friend here. I am okay. I really appreciate you so much. As we start the year, we have already started the year.
Yeah.
May God bless us. May God give us more content and to live. We live to inspire other people. We live to like give you.
Open the doors, guys.
Yeah, yeah. 1st of
Success.
December.
Success. Yeah.
This is the 1st of December, guys. Success. And may we live to inspire a lot of people out there and give you guys good content and show you like you can do it from any angle. Yeah, so guys, let's wait for our lunch. Peace and love. Remember that peace and love and positive vibes always. 1st of December. Eating something very nice here. A very big hotel in Tanzania.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Let's wait for lunch, guys. Surprise, guys.
Yeah, guys.
So,
So, this is what we have been waiting for, guys.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah. This is chicken.
Yeah.
This is full or half?
These are food, guys.
Wow.
ako kwa
The aroma. Aroma, guys, see from this. So we
Yeah.
have our small ugali here,
Yeah.
and we have also here. This is
These are
hyper,
lemon and
lemon. We have some grains here. Yes.
yeah. Someone who's trying to greet us.
Yeah.
So,
So,
yeah.
and also we have there, family over
Yeah.
there. So we are taking chicken today, guys. No, it has been long. There. Hello. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, I'm fine.
Yeah. So this is the shemeji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My in-law, guys.
My in-law, yeah. Not my in-law, your in-law. Yeah. Yes, so we are taking. Wow. We're going to enjoy, guys. So let's enjoy the aroma here.
Yeah.
The
We
aroma.
are going to have our lunch now.
Yes.
I think I have to wash my hands.
Yes, we have to wash our hands. And
Yeah, I'm with you guys.
Yeah. So let's wash our hands, keep on watching. And don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell anybody, to subscribe to Maj_KE. Always positive. Yeah. This is what you get for being a good friend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are washing our hands here. Wow. Here. So we are washing our hands here. I think this is very nice. I should maybe try and put this in my mom's sitting room, the sitting area. Yeah, it's very good for that. It's very, very nice, guys. Huh? This one is hot or cold. This is oh, this is hot. This is hot. Yes.
This?
Cold. We have hot and cold.
Cold, guys. So yeah, in
Hey,
everything is mangan.
I think this I should put for my mom.
Yeah.
This is cold, hot.
Yeah.
Hot. This is cold. The other one is cold. This is hot.
No.
This one is hot. No, this one.
Oh
This one is hot.
yeah.
This one is cold. Yes. Yeah. So nice, and we have a mirror here.
So the red one is hot, guys. And these are green.
Yes. It's cold, guys. Cold.
So
Yeah. Wash your hands. Let me help you.
wanna wash my hands
With your camera. So they gave us these drinks.
This is not the garema. This is muchicha.
Teacher.
How do you call it in English? I don't know.
No. But they are just drinks. No. Let me look for one which is big. This is the Thai, and this one is the Mababa. These guys are the best. You have this. Hey, which one? This is Piper.
Look at that.
Piper. Hey, wow. Hey. Thank you so much. Hey.
Welcome.
It's my glass for juice. Yeah. So guys, these guys, we have to leave some for.
No, you can't leave. This is our man, you can't leave.
No, we leave for your family.
Okay.
No, your
Take one.
Abuji Buji.
No, you have to take one and leave.
Yeah.
No, take one.
But anyway, guys, we have really like eaten the best chicken in our lunch. Yeah, so I ingired in a lunch date for this guy and our wife, but I'm really appreciative so much, Kelo. Thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, because it's not easy for someone to call you like, bro, let's go for lunch. I'm going with my family for lunch. Can you accompany me? You know, it's not easy. Yes, a few people can do that, but I am okay. Did that, invited me. I'm so appreciative, and may God bless you abundantly, and also your family. You have kid Liam here. Is
Baby
coming
Liam.
up.
So guys,
Baby Liam.
kindly, check her out, subscribe her channel.
Yeah.
I think you are going to share her link.
Yeah. I
But
will.
if you try to search Baby Liam, like you can't get
Baby Liam.
Baby Liam, because our channel is still.
Oh, still, yeah. So maybe we can share the link, guys, and kindly support the Baby Liam here. Yeah, these are the people who will inherit from
Yeah.
the fathers, the YouTubers here. Will be one of the people who will be very positive and doing YouTube.
Yeah. Positive always, guys.
Yeah, positive always, and we really appreciate, guys, especially for you, Asante Sana. You see, Asante Sana in Africa, guys.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and if you want,
Welcome.
if you want to come to Africa, Africa is the best place to be. This is where we were born and raised, and we are near the border. Yeah, so when you visit us, we'll definitely bring you to Tanzania.
Yeah.
Yes, Tanzania. Yes, exactly. So
How
have some people here. This is some few meters to Kenya, but you have some people here that have never stepped a foot in Kenya. Exactly. So they really love to go there. They really say like, I want to go to Kenya, but they are afraid. But yeah, we are one community, as I say, positivity. That is like one community. You know, if you're positive and you have friends who even abuse you, why abuse even someone? Have friends who can treat you or can call you in a good way and try to help you in a good way, try to bring you to lunch, like my friend here, Boki. Yeah, that is all I'm advocating for, and that is what we should do, guys. Yeah, this is the place that I have never been, but today I'm here because courtesy of him. So I really appreciate so much. God bless you guys. Let's move.